This is gonna be a Fuck the cord over there. I'm gonna pan the crowd. Look at all these people. Look at all these people. I don't know if you can see them. It's really dark. It's pronounced Peopoly. Hey, Brayden, how dark is it? It's like the Dark Knight dark. It's like as dark as my dick. Whoa. Hey, Tyler. Tyler. Swear to me. I've been recording for like a minute and 20 seconds. Wow. And nothing's happened. I'm going. Thank you. Thank you so much. 4, 3, 2, 1. Why do we keep counting down? Why are you counting down?
Nailed it! Time to go home!
Alright, go for intense! Oh, there's fireworks, by the way. Batman. Quit counting! Stop counting! Go, 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 go! Boogity, boogity, boogity! Boogie, boogie!
You should know that. You know NASCAR.
NASCAR?
I do? Yeah.
How long have I been recording for?
Who's your favorite driver?
2 minutes and 12 seconds.
What's my favorite? Okay, what's happening over here? Boogity, boogity, boogity. 2 minutes. What?
Hello, stranger. Fireworks!
They're catching a football field on fire. Yeah! Really?
This is so intense.
Batman.
Oh, this is super swaggy. Brayden, Batman, put out the fire. Yes, sir.
I'll use my utility back.
Thank you, Green Arrow. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Try to get to the camera. Hey Derek, I want to get a cool cinematic of you. Look cool. You gotta look cool. Gotta be cool. No, look cool, do something cool. Bang it.
So our president looks like an alien, right?
Or what?
Our principal looks like an alien.
Okay.
They're signaling the UFO to come and destroy us.
What do I do with my hands? Batman, we'll talk about this. Yes, I'm bad! I'm bad! I'm really bad! Yeah, America! I prefer Gotham, though. Okay, roll. There's one over there. Bang, bang, bang-a-rang bass. Bang, bang, blah. Bang, bang, Batman. There we go. Bang, 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 bang. Wait, well. Oh! Crisscross, motherfucker! Do something else cool. In sync with the music. New song. Oh yeah, what do you think of this song, Derek? What's your opinion on the government shutting down? Good. Tell me, are you excited for Call of Duty Ghosts? What's your opinion on GTA 5? I believe that the government shutdown was caused by Bane. I believe the government shut down because they spent too much money buying GTA 5. We need dubstep. Dubstep. We're gonna fan the people again. stranger. He's a faggot. Okay. Go away. Go away. The rest. Your mama don't dance and your daddy don't rock and roll. My parents, they're dead. Of course they don't dance. The only rock and roll I do is on the heads of bang, bang, bang. A rang, bang, bang, a rang. Bang. Bang, bang. Brandon, you gotta face me. What? You gotta face me. What? You gotta face me. Face you. Face me. Oh! That was probably sick. I bet I got that awesome. My arm is getting tired. Bang, 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 bang. Bang-a-rang. Bass. It's your song.
Alright, so I gotta get to film me.
Oh, it's... Rush, this is our song. Back in the line. Get out of here, citizen.
Wait, you gotta film me.
Yeah. I can't see shit. Oh my God! What? I don't know what's happening. Oh my God! Is that back in black? Wait, I got this. You broke my wheel. Oh, what a trip. It's great.
What a display.
That was fabulous.
Go home.
Absolutely.
Bye. Oh.
I'm not ending it.
Oh.
Hey,
Thank you very
Todd.
much for coming tonight, you guys. Have a great evening.
You're
Remember
welcome.
homecoming tomorrow night, right here, 7 o'clock.
Hi.
Hello.
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 Ah. Shut the fuck up.
That man and Iron Man. On the Iron Bat blog. The Iron Bat blog. Episode 1.
And Derek.
And we're done. And there's Derek. Goodbye, citizens.